today we are here at Wood & Bell to do another air-cooled Generac generator installation. At this place we were limited to the size of the gas meter, so we had to go with a smaller unit. Instead of the 24 kilowatt, we had to go with 18 kilowatts, and then we would put the car charger on a smart management module to postpone it. So here's how it looks like. 10 kilowatt going to the house. The meter is already pulled. We did the connection here. Tomorrow we will do the gas connection. And inside, that's how the transfer switch looks like. So we have to put one of these modules on the car charger so that they don't have any problem when they are on the generator during the power failure. This module is going to postpone the car charger automatically, and they don't need to worry about overloading the generator. Sizing is an important issue when putting a generator. It's not like you put a 10, 18, 14, 24, 26. These are the options that we do have, but we do the calculation to size it properly so that they don't have any problem during the power failure. If it's too small, then the generator is going to be overloaded, and if it's too big, technically they're just using the gas for nothing, and there is a big generator sitting out there without being used full load or even 50% load, and it's waste of money too. So yeah, it's really important to do the sizing calculation properly, and then in this case that we had to go with a smaller size, there were some solutions like this. The other solution that we have is to put the smooth starter on the heat pump, which we didn't need it in this case. So it's either or most of the time. Some heat pumps, they have the smooth starter already, not all of them has it. We're going to finish probably in 30 minutes, and we're going to ask PSC to come to the reconnection. Inspection is going to be passed before that, actually. Yeah, so that was it for the 18 kilowatt.